This is Bob Hoover's Shrike Commander, a twin-engine, 7-place, unpressurized business aircraft. Hoover purchased his Shrike in 1979 and with his extraordinary test pilot and fighter pilot skills, brought this simple business aircraft design to international acclaim. In it, he performed his signature deadstick, no-engine routine of loop, roll, 180-degree turn, landing, and taxi to Airshow Center. Robert Anderson Hoover was an American fighter pilot, test pilot, flight instructor, and record-setting airshow aviator that made his place in aviation history.